Hello again, everyone. Welcome to another daily vlog, nature walks. Today it is just me and I am back in this beautiful local city park to just take in the air. There's a bit of construction going on behind me, so I'm trying to get as far away from it as possible so we can just hear the rustling of the trees. Hopefully you can see the light dapple through the leaves. It's my new favorite word, by the way. This is such a beautiful park. If you look over there, there's some sort of trying to think of the word for it. Not a monument. Let's just go ahead and call it a structure. But isn't it beautiful how all of the green has come in on those rocks? And it looks like there's some wild, possibly honeysuckle over there. I don't know if you can see those little orange dots. No, that's not honeysuckle. Something else. Something else that likely smells beautiful. But look at that. So pretty. Great wedding location. Just beautiful. Anyway, lots and lots of green over on this side. That's a really cool tree. It's a really cool tree. Like, look how the branches are. It's really cool. It almost looks, even looking at the leaves, it almost looks tropical. Let's find out, what kind of tree is this? Hopefully, there's so many trees. Hopefully, it can catch that one. Let's see. Oh, it caught it. Let's see, it says it is a Balimbi tree. Fruit-bearing tree. Yeah, that's it. Fruit-bearing tree of the genus Averahoa. It is native to the Maluku Islands in Sulawesi, Indonesia. I knew it. It looked very tropical. Oh wait, there's a fallen tree over here. Hi. Look at the wood on there. I mean, honestly, until just recently, I've never really appreciated trees the way I should have. But lately, I have just been in awe. And it kind of makes me sad when the thought, like a lot more than it used to, the thought of them being cut down. But this one looks like, I'm assuming maybe it fell, like in a storm or something. No, that looks like they cut it. But they left it. But anyway, look at let's see if I can zoom in. Look at the grain on that wood. Isn't that crazy? Imagine that as like a table. That is just so pretty. But yeah, like I said, it kind of doesn't make me happy to not have them tall and doing their thing. But you know, I suppose that's how we get everything that we use, right? We use wood for so many things. But hopefully we can keep as many of these beautiful trees up and going and running and living their best life as possible, because it's just so pretty. And they give us oxygen. And look at how these vines are going up this bridge here. It's a really cool bridge, by the way. But look at that. So pretty, right? just regular vines. So anyway, it's mildly creepy back here, so I kind of want to hurry up and get through this spot. Look at that. Pretty. Very cool. The Northeast honestly has so many beautiful places like this. Love to know more about, like, you know, specifically why, but I'm assuming because so much was built in the early days of the United States. When structures, they, you know, put a lot more effort into the structures back then. But anyway, yeah, I was totally, that was a Dory moment. I was talking about the tree. It's called a balimbi tree from Indonesia. I could literally look at it and tell that it was more of a tropical tree. So it's really interesting that it's in here. I wonder if some of these trees were brought in versus already being here. It seems like they would have to be, right? Unless someone just like, I don't know, dropped a random seed or something. I don't know how that would happen. But yeah, so anyway, hopefully you are enjoying the sights and the sounds. The river is down there, but it seems like we're getting a little further away from it than I wanted to. And I didn't wear proper shoes today. Otherwise, I would just go right down there. Probably can't see it, but the river is right through those trees. Let's keep going a little bit further. Let's just see what's on the other side of here. It's getting a little bit more, going back into the city a little bit. I kind of wanted to cross over, but nah, let's head back. This is another really cool tree. Look at the leaves on there. That is so cool. So this is let's find out what kind of tree you are. This black locust, it's called. Medium-sized hardwood tree. Interesting. Let's look up, see what else we can find about it. It's belonging to the, I'm not even going to attempt to pronounce that one. That's a tough one. It's of the legume family. The tree is false acacia. Interesting. Very cool. Black locust. Apparently it flowers. Probably in the spring. Anywho, just a lovely day. Another beautiful nature walk. Hopefully you can hear those beautiful birds. And maybe you can hear the sound of the river down there. It's lovely. Anyway, you guys, there's a group of people walking this way, and I'm just going to be heading back. So that is going to conclude today's vlog. So happy to bring you along with me, and I will see you next time. Bye.